What's up, guys? From my screen you can see I have a balance of 4,900 and some change. So in this video, guys, I'll show you guys how I got to this money. I'll show you guys all the secrets. Let me reload the page so you know that this is 100% legit. This is not a sort of screenshot or anything like that. So I'll show you guys how I got this. As you can see, the money is still intact. I'll show you guys how I got this in this video. So without further ado, guys, let's dive right into Welcome back, guys. I'm Chido Original. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I basically teach you guys how to make money online, how to invest your money and make your money work for you as well. So you might consider hitting that red subscribe button below and turning on the bell notification beside it so you'll be notified each time I drop awesome videos like this that is giving you guys information. So that being said, today's topic, I'm going to be showing you guys this wonderful website called Owodaily. Is Owodaily legit or is it a scam? So basically, what's Owodaily? Owodaily started with an idea that every young Nigerian will be able to earn a single side income doing simple jobs on the internet. So you earn by completing simple tasks like liking a Facebook page, like following an Instagram account, doing simple tasks like that, and you earn some money. So I'll show you guys all the secrets. So make sure you stick to the very end of this video. I'll show you guys how it works. As you can see, they have up to 7,000 plus members. Job completed is up to 8,000. Businesses is up to 35. So they have a lot, and they've paid up to 40 million plus to people out there that's people have registered as their member and be doing simple tasks. As I said, they have paid up to 40 million. So I'll show you guys how to register, how to do everything, and I'll show you guys whether it's a scam or whether it's legit. So stick to the end and I'll show you guys all the secrets. So going down, you can see their frequently asked questions and what they do and what they don't. So you can contact them, read their terms and conditions, and read their frequently asked questions. So if you want to register, come here. They say become a member. Click on become a member. Become a member. This is the interface you are going to see. Member registration. Just put in your full name. For me, I will use Chido Original for the purpose of this tutorial. But use your full name as your own implies on your government issued ID card. So your username, you can put any username you want to. I'll use Chido 247. So this is 247, right? So email address, I'll use Chido Original 247@gmail.com. So this is my official email in case you want to contact me for business purposes, so we can transfer. So hit me up on this email so we can do some transaction right there. So you put your password. I will simply put this password that I want to use. So put a password that you can easily remember for this. Put your mobile phone number because they use it for verification purposes. So I'll use this random phone number just for the purpose of this tutorial. So select sex. So whether you're a male or you're a female, your own implies. I'll put male here. Your country, put the country where you are from. This works almost in all the African countries and also works in United Kingdom. As you can see, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Zambia, Uganda, Rwanda, Cameroon, they have United Kingdom here. So I'll select Nigeria. So whatever country you are in, you can easily choose it here. And this is CAC approved, that's Corporate Affairs Commission approved. So there's no need to be scared out there that they will take your money or anything. So make sure you register. Use the link on the description box below to register. You get a bonus, the first link there. So you select the state you are from. So I'll put Lagos State here. So any state that you are from, you simply put it. Then you put your bank information. So your bank name. If you are using Fidelity, for instance, I'll use Fidelity Bank. Then here is where you put your bank name. So put your bank name here, whatever your bank name is. I'll simply put Chido Original for the purpose of this tutorial. But whatever you register your bank account with, the name is what you are going to put here. Then you put your personal account number here. So I'll just use this for the purpose of this tutorial. So this is what I want to use. Use your own bank account as your own implies, and click on agree to their terms and conditions for membership. Once you click on it, they will prompt you to pay a one-time fee of 3,000 naira. So once you pay this fee, you'll become a member, full-time member. So if you use the first link on the description box below, you get a bonus. They'll give you 1,500 back if you use the link below. If you don't use the first link below on the description box, you will not get that bonus. So make sure you use that link while registering. So after that, you click on submit pay membership fee. So once you click on it, it will prompt you to a page where you put your card details to make the payment. Okay, before we continue, once you log into the email that you used to register your account, you can see two email inbox. They will ask you to verify your email address. So once you open up email verification required, once you click on it, it will verify your email address. So make sure you use that to verify your email address. So after that, the second one is they are welcoming you into Owodaily, so officially account activation. So this is, we are glad to have you here. They're just welcoming you into their platform, and they have their social media handle here like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. So you can easily contact them if you have any question you want to ask. So now is where they are saying to verify your email. I've already done that. So now I can easily log in. So I already have an account with them. So I'll log into my original account. So once you get to that point, make payment of 3,000 naira. If you use the link below, you get a bonus, you get a discount. So use the first link. I have a special deal with them. So that being said, let me log in into my account and I'll show you guys how to earn money on this wonderful platform. So this is it is logged in. So as you can see, here are my available jobs. If you come to jobs tab, you can see your available jobs, and these are the jobs here. You can see your balance, your full name, your referrals. If you have people that you refer to, they will sum up here. So basically, these are the tasks that you can complete. Instagram job, comment. So just comment on an Instagram page and you earn 8 naira for just doing that. Just by liking a YouTube video, you earn 5 naira. Just by doing a YouTube comment, you earn 10 naira. So it varies. They have ones that are paying bigger. This is 250. Invite friends and claim 250 naira gift card. So once you invite a friend here, you earn 250 naira gift card. So they have other ones, and the page keeps going on up to 20 pages. So this is just page one. If I click to next to load up another page, and they have a whole lot of things you can complete. So let me do this first one. They said I should comment on an Instagram page for 8 naira. So let me just simply do it. So I'll show you guys that this actually works. So once I click on apply, to load up the page, whereby I'll see the person's Instagram handle, and I'll go to the page and comment. So total work needed, there are 30 persons. This person needs only 30 persons to complete the job. Workers that are applied, 0. So I'm the first person that is applying for this job. And mind you, every day they change this to any new person that comes in. They change into new tasks, new information that's in different things. So if you come in tomorrow morning, you might not see this. They have already completed this job, and there's a new task to complete. So mind you, so you can do this every day, and the thing accumulates into a whole lot of money at the end of the month. So that being said, so this is the Instagram page. So once I copy this, open on a new tab, and the proof that they need is my IG username. So simply the job title is just read the job instruction carefully and submit when completed. So basically, I should open up this Instagram page. This is actually a post. This is the Instagram post that they say I should comment on. So this is the post, and what they are saying about this post is Proverb 31 verse 30. So charm is deceitful and all that. So it's just like a prayer to you. So I might just say amen to this, and I'll click on post. So once I click on it, it will now post. All I need to do is to submit my Instagram username, which is Chido_original. So I've posted original. So follow me on Instagram if you haven't done so already. So this is Chido original. So I'll come here on the required proof. I'll type Chido_original. So this is it. It's done. So after that, I'll submit my proof, and once the person that submitted these tags verify my username on the post, on Instagram post, they will pay me the 8 naira. So as simple as that. You can complete as many as you want. If you do this like 20 tags a day, you can earn up to 1,000 bucks or more at the end of the month. You know what it is. And mind you, some of them pay way more. Like this pays for 250, and they have the one that pays for 5,000. If I go to the next page, they have bigger tasks that you can complete. So there's no limit here. It's scalable. You can scale this to whatever ends you want. So another cool thing about this is their referral program. If you come here to the referral program, you can easily refer friends, and once a friend sign up using your referral code, you get a bonus. So get 1,600 naira bonus commission once you refer someone. So once you refer someone and they register successfully on this wonderful platform called Owodaily, you get 1,600 naira ASAP. So that's how it works. So once you use my code, you get a discount and you get 1,600 naira bonus for you. So if you use the code below, first link, you get this bonus. If you don't, you won't get any bonus. So register and start completing simple tasks on Owodaily and start making money for yourself. So is Owodaily legit? Let me answer your question. Is Owodaily legit or is it a scam? To some, this Owodaily is fully legit. They pay well and I have received money from them ASAP. Once you request for withdrawal, they will send your money ASAP. Within that day, within 24 hours, you receive it to your local bank account that you added while registering. So you can actually edit that if you want to. If you come to this section, edit account, you can actually edit anything you want to edit, your account details, whatever, your wallet, see your wallet. If you want to withdraw, come to your wallet, withdraw, or if you want to deposit, in case you want to post a job, you also want to like your Facebook page, do whatever you want to do, you can also deposit money and start posting jobs for people to complete. So it's like a two-way street. So you can do both things. You can earn money or you can post for jobs. So that's basically how it works. So this is the account. You can edit whatever you want to edit here. So you can also view your profile or join the village community. They have a community there called the village community or the academy community where you can learn basic things. So if you want to post a job, post it here. So this website is basically simple. Their social media handles and everything is here. You can contact them if you have any more question. So this is my profile and you can go to their homepage. So you can earn, they have different ways to earn. So this is legit, fully legit. So Owodaily is legit. And that being said, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video.